everybody, how are you? Hope everything is going well with you. It's time for learning English. Let's stay together. Today, our new idiom. Let's see. A. You're parking up the wrong tree. You're parking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree. Oh, I'm what? Barking? Up a tree? Oh, I'm not even a dog. No, you're not a dog. What does it mean? Well, it means you're looking in the wrong place. You're looking in the wrong place, or accusing the wrong person, or accusing the wrong person. In other words, you've got the wrong end of the stick. You've got the wrong end of the stick. Oops. There goes another one. What I mean to say was, you've got the wrong idea. You've got the wrong idea. So, when someone say you're barking up the wrong tree, it doesn't mean that you're a dog. It doesn't mean that he's like abusing you or said for you bad words. No, it's an idiom. It's an idiom. And as we said before, the meaning of the idiom is different than its words. The meaning is different than its words. So again, you're barking up the wrong tree. You're barking up the wrong tree means that you're looking in the wrong place, or you've got the wrong end of the stick. Means what again? These two idioms, you've got the wrong idea. When someone say also, you've got the wrong end of the stick. I don't have even a stick. That means you've got the wrong idea. You've got the wrong idea. أتمنى الإيديومز النهاردة تكون عجبتنا، وأتمنى إن احنا نستفاد منها، وأتمنى إن احنا نستخدمها على طول. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for listening. Wait for us. Wait for the next episode. Thank you so much. Goodbye.